Hi everybody and welcome back for our geography lesson today. I hope that you're having a wonderful Monday and you're ready to start learning. Let's get started. Let's see if I can share my screen with you. Okay, so can you tell me what this is a map of? That's right, the United Kingdom. Good. So can you tell me what countries are in the United Kingdom? Can you tell me now? Good, we have Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Now, can you tell me what's the capital city of England? Can you tell me? That's right, London. Good, what is the capital city of Wales? Can you tell me? Cardiff. Good. And Scotland? Good, Edinburgh. Fantastic. And we are going to be learning today about Northern Ireland. We can see it on the map there. And we know what continent is the United Kingdom in. Can you tell me? That's right. It is in the continent of Europe. And we can see there it's in the continent of Europe. It's a very small island. Okay, so our objective today is, can I name, locate and identify characteristics of Northern Ireland and Belfast? So let's have a look. Can you remember some of these oceans? Let me see if I can move them before you read them all. Okay, so can you tell me where the English Channel is? Can you point to it? That's right, it is here. That is the English Channel. And we spoke about that because some people swim across it. Can you point to where the North Sea is? Well done. Up at the top here is the North Sea. And then we've got, what's up here? What sea? What ocean can you tell me? The Atlantic Ocean. Good. And then down here, in between England, or in between the two, we've got the Irish Sea. Irish Sea. Well done. So let's just practice those. We've got up at the top, the North Sea. Down the bottom, the English Channel. Here we've got the Irish Sea. And up at the top, we have got the Atlantic Ocean. Good. Okay, so here we have got a flag down at the bottom. This is a flag of the whole of Ireland. But today we are just looking at Northern Ireland because Northern Ireland is a part of the United Kingdom. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Can you tell me what colours you can see in the flag? Can you tell me what you can see in the flag of Northern Ireland? Good, we can see the colours red, a little bit of goldy yellow and white. So I want you to pause the video now and go and see if you can find some objects of those colours around your house. So we've got red, white and goldy yellow. Do you think you can do that? Pause me now. Okay, let's have a look at our next slide. So we have got England, good, Scotland up at the top, ooh, Northern Ireland here and Wales. And we can see our Northern Ireland is just there. Okay, now in Northern Ireland, the capital city is called Belfast. Good, Belfast. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to read you some facts now about Northern Ireland. So can you see this gentleman here? Now he is called St. Patrick. And St. Patrick is the patron saint of, can't get my words out today, is the patron saint of Northern Ireland, and he was Christian. He used a shamrock, which is this little plant here, to talk about his religion. Now a shamrock is a symbol of Northern Ireland. Can you see? He's even holding one in his hand there. Okay, so in Irish stories, leprechauns are a type of magical person. Now they have a pot of gold that they keep at the end of rainbows. And can you see this leprechaun here? He's got a little shamrock in his hat and he's also holding one, isn't he? And if you look really closely at my pot of gold, you can see a few shamrocks around it. Okay, and these pictures are of Giant's Causeway. Now, the sea had eroded, which means it took away lots of pieces of the rocks, and it made them into thousands of hexagon-shaped towers. Can you see them if you look very carefully? You can see their unusual shapes. And eroded means that when the sea has been going over it a long time and has made it into these amazing shapes. Now, the story is that a giant built these to use as stepping stones to get to Scotland to fight a Scottish giant. And you see, and they do look a little bit like stepping stones. And lots of people every year go and visit the Giant's Causeway. Okay, now the capital city, can you remember? Good, I'm testing your memory. Belfast. Fantastic. And here are some places in Belfast. So we have here, we have the City Hall. The City Hall. Good. And over here, we have the Titanic Museum. And can you see it's a bit like the shape of a ship? And that is because the Titanic was a big ship that was built a long time ago. And unfortunately, it hit an iceberg, which is like a huge piece of ice, and it sank. And they have a museum all about it because it was a very special ship. So we've got the City Hall, the Titanic Museum. Good. So our activities today. So what I want you to do is I would like you to go away now and see if you can do one of these activities. So you could make a little leprechaun. You could make your own flag for Northern Ireland, and you could also make your own shamrock. But you don't have to do it exactly like these pictures. If you want to be a little bit creative and you've got some other resources you can use around the house, then you can do that. You don't have to use exactly the same resources as I do. You've got to be a little bit creative. Do you think you can do that? Fantastic. I can't wait to see all of your hard work on tapestry. Bye for now, year one. Have a lovely Monday. Bye.